Hey traders, welcome to the daily recap for our day trading ideas in Spartan Trading Live Room for December 7th, 2022. Let's take a look what we did today. So a couple different things. We came into the market, we were leaning a little bit more on the bullish side, only if the pivot point could be reclaimed. And we did get a little bit of a push to the upside today off the lows. Also, uptrend on the low of the daily was holding. And that 50 MA is pretty close to this area, so we're looking for potentially a retest of that and a bounce. But today it had some pretty good action, held that inverted head and shoulders on the hourly. We're able to take a little bit, some long ideas on the equity side right up the gate as well as on the option side. So let's take a look at what we did today. RXDX was one that we did trade today on the long side for 7 points. Intraday started to fade off. We did have a 3-point short idea on it as well. Tesla long idea out the gate for 2 points. ERNA long overnight. I've actually been talking about this one on Twitter since $3 for like at least 3 weeks. It finally got a move last day, so it was a double 100% move on that trade. Idea, was super happy about that overnight. You guys were in the room, $1.50. So decent trade there. Idea, Moderna, a nice little long idea today for 4 points. AVXL this morning for 40 cents on that long idea as well. And then CBNA short when he did get that pop and extension for a pullback into, looks like, EMA support initially off that little pop and extension. It actually was right there and ended up holding it. So that ended up being a 30-cent short trade. SPX on the option side, we did do a ladder this morning, 390.73.980. And that was a 2,200% trade on that one. ASL 58 calls, 131%. SPX 3930 calls. At the end of the day, they're on a little pop, 111% idea. Nice. SFIX, $4 call idea this morning for 120% MDB. 190 call idea for 83% this morning. That was right off the 50 MA. Ended up getting a nice little bounce there. And then that SPX 3920 put idea at the end of the day as well for 45%. There's a whole bunch of other SPX trades ideas there for like 30 cents or 30%, 40%. We kind of hammer those all day long. There was some that didn't work, of course. We had a Walmart trade on the option side that did not work today. Trade idea, I should say. We had an AAP trade idea, which worked for like 30%. CVNA put idea that worked for 56%. UNH idea that did not work. And then on the equity side, we had a couple things that didn't work as well. Let me just take a look. BA long idea at the end of the day, that one didn't end up working. Or actually, no, that one did work for about 30 cents, which wasn't huge. DBGI for about 10 cents to the upside, that wasn't huge either. I'm trying to find one that didn't work. I'm sure we had one on the equity side. Edit, we ended up getting about 11 cents on that one to the upside, so that ended up working. Oh, HCMP, there it is. ACMP, tried that one long this morning, long idea there, ended up failing, but overall fairly high hit rate on the equity side today. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Should be solid. Market is holding EMA support on the hourly. In the short term, it's not on the daily chart. So if we take a look at that, obviously it's extended to the downside. You have this range support right here at 393.35 that it's below. Don't like that. It's kind of in limbo. You have some data coming out tomorrow morning, so we'll see what way the market gaps. But overall, I think it's most likely, in my opinion, on the bullish neutral side, depending upon the data. Of course, that's what's really going to move the market. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, expect range. I think it's going to be a pretty good trading day. If you guys want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.